Hey, it's Roger. I'm on location in Oldenburg, the exciting brand new community from Shea Homes. That house right there, it's sold, baby. Too late. Backing up to the woods. I'm just a few houses down from the models, two beautiful models that are just finishing up right now. This one is available on lot 101. Now you're going to spend, easily 800 in here. They've got two specs listed. I believe that was one of them, priced right at 800. But you could literally spend $1 million in here. This is Marvin. This is right on Crane Road, and this is amazing. I mean, look at the trees. I mean, seriously, beautiful. Location is stellar. The schools are ridiculously excellent. Everybody wants Marvin schools. So you want to give me a call at 704-345-3400. I'd love to be your buyer's agent, represent you. Put my name down as your agent when you go in, because if you don't have an agent, you need one. This is lot 117 coming on this cul-de-sac. You know what's cool about these cul-de-sacs? They are beautifully landscaped like a roundabout. There's lot 118. I love that. Look at that. Now that's starting to back up to Crane Road, and you can see from the berm right there that there is landscaping, and there's a buffer there backing up to Crane. There's lot 119, and here's lot 120. So there's, I believe that would be Providence down south over there. So lot 120 is beautiful too, and backs up then again to the road there with a berm. Trees, really some in the back of 120 right here. And they've got some pretty good size, but space between the homes. But these homes are going to be beautiful, guys. I mean, this is luxury. And having been just last week to the Shea Homes Design Center for a client I have in Atherton, wow. So 121, it's sold, perfect lot, right on the cul-de-sac. So this is why it pays to get in early. If you wait 6 months, of course they release lots a little at a time. Now there's where we started our little tour over there, and hopefully we'll come back to these. But I mean, the trees are beautiful. The design center, I mean, what an experience that my client had there. Just amazing. They've got quite a few lots here, so they're going to be here for a while. But in each lot release, whoever gets there first and gets really what some would consider the best lots. But I'm not seeing lots in here that I wouldn't want to live on. Of course, we all love the trees, right? So there's a lot that's available. That's 104. And again, whether it's released at the time you see this or not, we're going to see some basement lots, I'm sure. 105. And the reason I'm calling out these lot numbers is because if you're looking from afar, 106, you may want to know about a lot that's getting ready to be released, and the video is a good reference. Now here's a basement lot, 107, and when they say you can spend up to $1 million, I'm sure if you had a finished basement, you're there. Look how they kept that tree. Isn't that pretty? I'm so glad they did. That one's sold, lot 108. Hopefully that tree stays. So there's a difference between a cleared lot and then a lot that hasn't been cleared yet. This one is available, reference lot 109, but it may not be released yet. Again, depending on when you see this video and depending on what lot releases are available then. Now here's this cul-de-sac. There's 110, but we're pretty close to the road there. And you're saying, well, they should give me that lot. Really? No, everything's hot here, man. The real estate market's hot. So there's Crane Road traffic right there. It's not bad, but these lots, material fact, are right there. So for instance, if you had this particular lot, then the side of your house, which is 111, side of your house, you may have some traffic noise over there. Wow, I'm just enthralled. It's spring here, guys. There's lot 112 coming out of the cul-de-sac. And Charlotte, it just gets so great. I love Charlotte, the Four Seasons, but none of them are bad. They're mild. This is lot 113. So now back to buyer's agency. The people that work in the model homes, they work for Shea Homes. They have their best interest at heart. There's lot 114. You need a buyer's agent. The price for my fee is already built into the purchase price, whether you use an agent or not. So tell them that you want an agent, you have an agent. I had a guy last week and his wife heard me say this, that one's sold, 115. And he went into a Toll Brothers neighborhood and put my name down as his agent. And there's lot 116, beautiful. Then we got this corner lot. And then, I went with them and we did the contract. I walked the lot and I did research. So you want an agent, just trust me on that. And again, if my services are free, maybe you think you want this, but maybe there's something else that's popping up or that I've heard about that's showing up. Now here's a nice lot that's available, 123, and you can see on the house next to it how it's sitting up nice and high on that crawl. Man, that is pretty stuff right there. Now, ask me if that was available. Yes, it is. That may be one of those $800,000 specs that's already been listed. I love it. It looks like they're doing 4 sides brick. Amazing. Just really amazing. There's that one. That's got a 4-car garage. Mercy. Or is that, that is killer right there. Wow. I don't care whether you want to build one from scratch or you want to buy one of the specs. I'm here with you. This one's available lot 123. So you're going to spend $800 to $1 million, and I think I can really help you stay in the $800 to $850 range. These have trees, but obviously they haven't cleared the lots yet for the construction. The models are gorgeous as always. Just like if you had any contact at Atherton, which somebody that's looking in here might also be looking in Atherton, not too far away. That's another great location. But guys, it looks like they have dirt. It looks like they have inventory. And again, you're looking up there to the main road, just coming out right up that way. But as I turn this corner, look at all this green. Look at all this dirt. I love dirt. I love building pads. I love new construction. 704-345-3400. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and give me a call at 704-345-3400. Live from Oldenburg, Shea Homes, Marvin, North Carolina. It's just south of Charlotte.